this video, I'm going to show you how to make text 3D on Canva. On your Canva design, scroll to the left-hand side of the workspace. Locate the Apps tab and click on it. In the search bar within, browse for Type Extrude. Click on it and add it to your design workspace. A new window titled Type Extrude will appear. Here you can type your desired text in the designated field. Choose a font from the available option that best suits your design style. Now adjust the sliders labeled line height, border width, angle, and length to control how far the text extrudes into the 3D space. Select a color for your 3D using the color palette available. Once you've customized your 3D, click on the Add to Design button at the bottom. Then add the 3D text element to your main Canva workspace, where you can further reposition, resize, and rotate it to fit your design layout. And that's about it. That's how to make text 3D on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.